case. All right, part E, you're given the number of molecules, and I mean, you can do the summarizing the question here, but it's kind of already written in the summarized form. So you're given this, yeah, very scandalous. The mole looks shocked about the fact that the question has already been set. You know what? I'm not doing it. I feel like the mole's judging me. The question's kind of already been summarized, so there is no need to do that. You need to work out the mass of water. So m is mass. I do believe I wrote this question with the intention that you can interpret symbols. If you want to work out the mass, if we just quickly think about the relationship between mass, well, if it doesn't disappear, it will, okay. Mass, number of mole, and molar mass. And the other relationship that has to do with the number of molecules, which is capital N. I don't know why everything is kind of slanted on the side. So if I want to find that, I need to start by finding the number of mole and then multiply it with the molar mass. So I'm going to start with finding N of H2O, which is the number of H2O molecules divide by Avogadro's number. So you have 3.45 times 10 to the 25 over 6.02 times 10 to the 23. It's quite a big number actually. But you know, sometimes you do have a lot of mole. And I do hope we have a lot more water. So you have 57.3. Now this is very unusual, and I usually say that if you have a mole that's this big, then you've done something wrong, but I don't think so. And you do start off with a lot more than one mole, like 100 times. Well, not yet, but well, so that's 100 times, and then that's half, so it's about 50. That's about right. All right, I also need to work out the molar mass of H2O. Now, if you remember the molar mass of H2O, you don't need to do this step. Just get to the answer, and you will, I think, remember the molar mass of H2O. It's going to be one of those things that you do so many calculations with it that it becomes ingrained in your mind. And I think if you ask a lot of people who are studying chemistry, they can tell you without hesitation what the molar mass of H2O is. It's definitely a good thing to remember, even for year 12, because we do need to do a little bit of work on recognizing patterns and fragments based on the mass. So if you know the mass of some fragments off by heart, it is easier to imagine what the molecule is. Do believe it or not, there is a lot of imagining next year. Even though this subject is pretty logical. 1000 and okay. 5, 6. I need to put my unit, which is gram, and this is my final answer to the question, so I will clearly indicate it.